today. So we have Amy and our superstar cheesy here.
Special guest.
Special guest.
Hijacking.
So we thought of having Amy to do something for us, showing us how to do simple braids, which you can do at home as well. So pay attention and experiment it on your own. Go Amy!
I'm done
It's
already.
okay.
Oh,
Wow.
she's incredibly fast.
I don't think I can do it this
Very
fast
cute,
at home,
yeah.
but
Oh, have you tried doing it yourself? No. I don't think I can do it.
Can. You can do
that's really nice.
single, double also can this one.
That's so cute. How do you do double?
Very difficult.
Okay, if Amy says it's difficult, I bet it is.
Oh, it's only 3 minutes and 35 seconds.
Cool.
And it looks complicated. Like 10 minutes.
Yes,
Done?
done.
That's it.
Super cute.
Wow, that's fast.
Yeah.
Wow. Wow. This is cool.
Yeah, it's super cute.
Wow, okay. I would have never been able to do this on my own. I watched the video again. But that's cool. And in less than 4 minutes. Well done, Amy. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
So I shall attempt this at home and I'll take a video and let you check.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Any tips for
Any
people
tip?
doing it for the first time?
Just practice for the break first. Yeah, the break,
So as long as
the
you
normal break.
Okay, as long as you can do the normal braid, you're safe. and find a willing volunteer, or you can just try it on your hair, right? Or if all else fails, come and visit Amy.
Yeah, so if
She's
you don't
the
have to say
woman.
anything, you can come to visit me anytime. Have a
Thank you,
consultation.
Amy. And you know what? My fringe is actually growing out, so I was like wondering whether I should keep it or whether I should cut it. So
Keep.
unanimously, the experts say that I should keep it, so I shall. Alright, until the next vlog. Bye.